Today we're making lamb steak. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is such a cool recipe. However, there was one problem. I had to do this recipe in a different way simply because we were eating it at a time where I wouldn't be able to film, eat, and do all those sort of things with it. So what I'll show you is I will show you the part where it's just my hands, getting the steak all ready. And it is so easy to do. First thing that we have to do is we have to make a seasoning for our lamb. Our seasoning is just salt, pepper, and then we also have garlic powder and onion powder. I mix those up and mix them up really thoroughly and sprinkled this over both sides of the lamb steak. Then in a heavy bottom pan I added olive oil and then brought that up to a fairly good heat. It is set at medium high. Then I put our lamb steak in and I sear both sides of it. And then while it's searing, I also make sure to pour some of that hot oil over top of this. So once it is seared, I reduce the heat and then let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the internal temperature reads 145 degrees on a meat thermometer. Now I'm going to remove it from the pan and then put it on a plate to rest. This is the important part. Let it rest, let those juices redistribute, and while it's resting we are going to sprinkle over the fresh thyme over top of the meat. This just gives it this great flavor, and guess what? That's it. That really is it. This is the easiest thing to make for any time of the year. It is so quick and so good, and I think you're going to be amazed. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.